Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to hop on and provide you with 3 platforms that provide remote employment. So just head over to Google, type in web loaded. Once you have typed in web loaded, select the first option. Once selected, it will take you to this page. Right, so this site offers a variety of full work from home online jobs for freelancers. Part-time and full-time positions are available, ranging from simple data entry, typing, and paid surveys to more skilled jobs such as transcription, proofreading, digital marketing, graphic designing, content writing, and much more. So again, we can continue to scroll and we will see the different job categories: virtual jobs, some micro jobs, internet research, typing, data entry, surveys, form filling, and web scraping. And the list goes on. There are the writing jobs, designing jobs, testing jobs, marketing jobs, managerial jobs, entry-level jobs. And what I like about this website is how they broke down the jobs into various categories. So it makes it easier for you to identify where your interest would be if you desire to apply through this platform. So once you're interested, go right ahead and apply on this platform. But first, you will be required to become a member in order to have access to the various openings. Let's look at another website. So we're just going to head over to Google again. And type in Humanatic. Once you have typed in that, you want to select the first option. Once selected, it will take you to this page. So they help clients review their calls. They provide them with analytical reports and valuable data to improve customer service and sales. Why you should join this company? Because you're allowed to create your own schedule and make as little or as much as you choose. It's free and simple. They never charge you anything and they pay you weekly. So let's just look at some of the FAQs for this company. So how do you apply? In order to join this company, you must have a valid and verified PayPal account. Verification proves that a person is who they say they are. This creates confidence and a willingness to do business with you. If you do not have a PayPal account, then you will need to create one. Once you have a verified PayPal account, you can sign up. So once you have a PayPal account and you are over 18 and you have an interest in this type of employment, you should go right ahead and select this button and start your application process. We're going to look at one more company. It's called Livingstone Research. So just head back out to Google and type in Livingstone Research. It will take you to this page. You just want to select this option here. Once selected, it will take you to this page here, which is their home page, which tells us a little about them. We can see that their mission is to give personal education support enabled by technology to every student. We aim to help students tailor their study experience to their needs and desires. We work hard to ensure that everyone can get personal study help in any subject 24/7 at the shortest possible notice. So we can see they have been in existence for 10 years or more. Full-time employees over 100. They have offices in 2 countries. And they have over 5,000 plus freelancers. What they do, they aim to solve the main problem of current education system, that is lack of personal support for students. They have created a platform which connects students to a network of thousands of verified tutors to get help with their homework and anything related to college. In order to help students all over the world, they are managing several brands which make use of their platform. So if you are interested in being a tutor, if you have a passion for education and imparting knowledge to others in your area of expertise, go right ahead and create an account with Livingstone Research. So guys, I have provided you with 3 different platforms that you can now utilize in order to obtain remote employment. They include WebLoaded, Humanatic, and Livingstone Research. You can go ahead and join these platforms to have access to the various openings or vacancies so that you can begin your application process today. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.